Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me, Akisonya Olabite. I'm super excited to have you choose to learn from this channel. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to install fonts on our PC. You might be wondering what font is used for. Okay, font is just like an handwriting. Let me just put it in that same, in a very simple way to you. Like it's just like an handwriting. Okay, like say for instance, if I should write something and also you write something, you get to understand that our handwriting will not be the same. So that's what font 2 is. Okay, so now let's quickly go about it. Now if you want to, let's say for instance that this is my Corel Draw, and if I should type any text here, all right, or let me type La Vista. Okay, all right, so all right, now so this is my name on the screen. All right, now let's now assume that I want to change the font, so I'll go to where I have my font list here. All right, then I will choose whatever fonts that I have here. Okay, we have numerous types of fonts, but as we move on in our tutorial or in our training, we'll get to know those different types of fonts that we have and when you can use any of those fonts. Okay, now let me assume I want to use this reviews. Okay, you can see that it is quite different from the other fonts that I have earlier. So let me duplicate all this now and duplicate the name, and then we'll use different fonts. Okay, so let me change the font of this. Let me use this. Okay, let me use another one for this. Okay, so you can see that those fonts are quite different from each other. Okay, all right, so you can see now. Quickly now, we want to explore how to install all these fonts on your PC. Okay, now in our tutorial, I'll be giving you the types of fonts that I'll be using in each video. Okay, and then there is a need for you to install those fonts on your PC so as for you to be able to utilize those same fonts that I used in the video tutorial. Okay, now for you to install those fonts, what do you do? Now let's assume that these are the fonts that I want to use, or I used in a design of which you want to also replicate. Okay, now these are the fonts. Now as you can see, these fonts are they are zipped already, and as they are zipped now, there's a need for you to download an application called WinRAR. I mean a software called WinRAR. So you can go to getintopc.com, okay, to download this software. Also from this getintopc.com, you can download any system software, okay, either for whatever window version that you are using, you can download it from here. You can also download for your what's it called, your Mac, and then some other types of systems. Okay, then now if you want to come to this Get Into PC, all you just have to do is to click on this search websites bar that we have here. Then you use whatever kind of software you want to install. Let's say I want to install WinRAR, that I've said. So just type what WinRAR. Okay, then click on this go. So it will bring out the different types of WinRAR that they have on their website. So you can see them. So you can just choose the one that you prefer amidst them. So it's as simple as that. Then you install it on your PC. Now after you install it, you will now have access to extract, okay, or to unzip all these files that are zipped. Okay, so extract or to unzip it, you just have to right click on it, and then you click on extract to, you'll see the file name. You can see Casanet Plus. All right, likewise I should click on this Lobster. I should right click on it, and then you see extract to Lobster. Okay, let me extract this Lobster first. Okay, so you wait, and then all right, now you can see that the font is already extracted, okay, into a folder. All right, you can see. So let me also extract these two. Extract it. Good. Beautiful. Now quickly, let me show you something. Let me go back to my CorelDRAW. Now this font, this text that I have here. Now let's assume that I want to change this text. Okay, I want to change the font of this text to whichever fonts. Okay, let me use this Casanet that we have there, or let me use Lobster. Okay, you can see by the time I browse my font list, I won't see any of that font because I don't have the font installed on my system. Okay, it is until I install that font that I'll be able to have access to it. Okay, now let's go about installing it. Now head back to file manager, then we double tap on the font that we've extracted. Okay, then we'll double tap it again to open it, so you see different folder. Okay, so you just keep keep opening it. Now okay, this is the font that I want to install here. So all you just have to do now is to right click on it, okay, and then you click on install. Okay, all right, so it is installed. Then let me go back to install the other fonts. Okay, this looks hard. Let me install it. So you can see Lobster. Alright, so right click on it, then I'll click on install. Alright, beautiful. So now I've installed the two fonts. So now let me go back to my CorelDRAW, and then I'll select this text, and then I will now try to change the font text to the ones that I have installed. Okay, Lobster, let me search for it. All right, so you can see the Casanet is what is installed. So I can just click on it. You can see that the font is installed. All right, so but before, if you don't have the font installed on your system, you won't be able to use the font. At times you might need to relaunch your CorelDRAW after you've installed the font. Okay, because there are some fonts that are very, very stubborn, and once you install it, until you relaunch your CorelDRAW, whatever application that you are using, before you can be able to see it. You can also see the Lobster too that we've installed. Okay, that's how you install fonts on your PC. Now, one good thing about this font installation is that whatever fonts that you install on your PC, you'll be able to make use of those fonts across all software or across all applications on your system that uses font. Okay, if you are using Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Office, any of the fonts that you install on your system, okay, all those fonts, you can use it on any package. Alright, so I hope you understand what I have explained so far. Now guys, if you have learned one or two things from this video, do make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and then if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do make sure you smash the subscribe button, and then make sure that your post notification bell is turned on, so as for you not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading anytime soon. I'm sure you must have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do that right now. Alright, so I will see you in the next tutorial. Do have a lovely day. Bye.